Welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Image Steganography software. So whenever you run the main file, then it will open the software. So you have to give the input image file and it will encode and decode that particular image. So let's select the image. I'm selecting this image and user have to enter the text to hide. So I'm just writing this is dummy text to hide, and third step is enter the password 1234. Okay, and then click on encode and start. So I'm just storing the output image here with the file name output image and click on save button. Okay, then it will encode image successfully. This will be the output image. We have hide the text in that particular image. So in the decode section we have to browse the image and we have to enter the correct password. If we enter the wrong password, then it will show invalid password. So let's enter password and then click decode button. So it will decode the text, like this is dummy text to hide. This will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.